In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Pepperstone to MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Secure Client area inside Pepperstone. You want to sign in and you want to go to Trading Accounts. And here, I'm going to showcase this with a demo account. So I'm going to click on Demo. And then you want to click on Add a Trading Account. And you want to, of course, create this, put in all the info you want, and here you want to select MT5 or MetaTrader 5 as a platform. Now, I have already selected this, so I can do it again. As you can see, I have an account with MT5 already on Pepperstone. It's a demo account, so after you create one, you're going to receive your login credentials onto your email, okay? So just go to your email, look for your login credentials, and you can then go ahead and sign in to MT5 that way. So this here is going to be my account number. You can go to MT5, there we go, and then you click on File, top left, open an account, and then here you want to search for Pepperstone. There we go, press enter. And there it is. So depending on where you signed up, you're going to have to select this Pepperstone Group Limited or Pepperstone Limited UK. So for me, it's on the UK version. I'm going to click on UK, next. And then here you want to put in your login. So this is going to be basically your login, your account number, which is going to be inside your email, as I told you. And then you can go ahead and type in the password as well. So for me, the password is this, there we go. And then here, the server is going to be, of course, either live or demo. So for me, it's a demo account. I'm going to click on demo, and you will also see this inside your email in case it could be any different at the time of you actually trying to do this. Now, after that, click on finish. And then, as you can see, I've successfully signed in. Up here, it says my demo account is connected, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.